guys, what is up? And today I will be reading ants.
And then
reading
frogs. Thank you.
And okay,
I'll be reading first because you just read.
no, last time you read first.
But you just read.
I know, you read first last time. Ants.
You just read though.
You read first last time, so I'm reading first this time. So this is a chapter book already. Where's the chapter books already?
These aren't chapter books. Look how short they are.
Table of contents. What ants
Look
do.
at the.
Look how long this is.
Then don't read it. Go find
1
it.
ant, 2 ants, 3 ants, 4 ants. See 1 ant, and you'll see lots more. Ants live large, grown up of ants is called a colony. An ant colony lives in a nest. Most ants build nests underground. An ant nest is full of tunnels. Each tunnel leads to a little room. Underground ant nest. Whoops, I think I forgot to show you this picture. See all those ants? They're all ants, right? Yeah, they're all ants, right? It's called an army ant colony. There you can see tunnel. Actually, I mean a room tunnel. Okay, so some ants do not live underground. Some live inside hollow thorns, between rocks, in rotten trees, in nests made of leaves. It's interesting. Funny. It looks like they're like in a circle, kind of thing. Wow, that was a short chapter. Your turn. We're reading one chapter right now.
What?
One chapter.
Just read the whole book. That thing's short.
Okay, we're reading 2 chapters today.
Read all the chapters. It's barely a chapter book.
Look how big this thing is.
I'll read all mine, but
There's
you don't have
32.
to read all yours.
You're not reading all yours.
Then read all yours.
It takes a long time for you to read all yours. Brain Fisher is a scientist. He looks for new kinds of ants. Some people call him the Ant-Man. Dr. Fisher has
hold on, let me look at this.
found
Humongous.
has found more than 800 new kinds of ants. He can't wait to find even more. I think they're all ants.
Look how big those ones are.
These are all ants. They have wings. Those ants have wings. Look at all these ants.
Those are called termites. Ants are termites that have, if they have wings, they're termites. But they're pretty much the same thing. Now show them a picture of all the ants.
These things down here, they're ants, but they're called termites.
If they have wings.
Yeah, if they have wings, they're termites. They're kind of ant. Egg, queen, ant taking care of. Whoa!
That's grass.
The queen is best ant in
It's the biggest.
Is the biggest ant in a colony. Excuse me. She lays eggs all day long. When the eggs hatch, little larvae wiggle out. They look like worms. They eat and eat and eat. Larvae turn into
Pupa.
pupa. Pupa do not move. Pupa do not eat. After a few weeks, they turn into adult ants. See, there's what is it called? Lua or something like that.
Larva.
And here, I think, no, that's egg, that's larva. I believe that is pupa.
Pupa.
Pupa. That, I believe, is pupa.
That's the queen.
Whoops. Sorry, queen. Worker ants. Alright, 2 chapters. 2, because there's 32 pages in this.
Look how short, though.
32.
You look at a real chapter book.
2 chapters. Just read 2 chapters.
Okay, we're going to be reading frogs.
And do not read all of it, because it's going to take you a long time.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will. You're not
Splish
reading
bash,
all of
what is around is that sound? What is hopping and jumping around? What loves to swim? What loves to eat bugs? It's a frog. Can you hop like a frog?
This one's called Splash, I guess, this chapter. Yeah, this chapter's called Splash.
Frogs live all over the world except Antarctica. Frogs usually live in wet places. They like rivers, lakes, and ponds. But some frogs live in trees. Some even live in the desert. Frogs can be found all over the world. Wherever they live, that's their habitat. Ribbit. Habitat is the natural place where a plant or animal lives.
It's been 6 minutes already.
Look at this frog croaking. Some frogs' throats puff up when they make sounds. Each type of frog makes its own sound.
Like
The
frog.
Coney frog is named after its sound that makes its sound, co-he. This frog is the size of a quarter. Even small frogs can make a loud noise. Ribbit. Croak, the deep hoarse noise that a frog makes. Frogs make different sounds for different reasons. Sometimes it's to warn other frogs of danger. Sometimes it's to call to frogs nearby. This frog lives around noisy waterfalls. Other frogs would not be able to hear its cells. So it dances instead. All sticks around the one leg and then the other. Can you dance like this frog?
Why do you put frog and snakes? These are all the ones we're going to be reading. I don't know if you can see them. It says frogs, ants, snakes.
What is a frog's favorite food? Usually it's insects. Frogs eat dragonflies and crickets and other
Ew!
Ew, there's a dragonfly.
Ew!
Why are frogs so happy? Please put that. I'm not going to tell you the answer. Please try and answer that on the comments. Why are frogs so happy? There's the answer right there.
Okay.
Some frogs eat bigger animals like worms and mice. The American bullfrog even eats other frogs.
Okay, make sure you cover the answer.
Okay, I'm covering the answer, but here's the book. Here's a picture of an American bullfrog eating another frog.
Yeah, what's the answer?
Here, I'll put it this way.
Okay, I see it.
Okay. What is that pink flash? It's how a frog catches bugs. It shoots out its long, sticky tongue at a passing bug. The bullfrog pulls the bug onto its mouth. If your tongue were as long as a frog, it would reach your belly button. What?
Holy crap!
Frogs can be many different sizes.
Oh!
That one is. It's a micro frog.
Here's a picture.
Hold on, let me read this. The smallest frog is as big as a fingernail. The largest is the big as a rabbit.
Holy crap!
So that's the small one as big as your toenail, and that's the one as big as a rabbit.
That's crap.
It's like 8 pounds.
That is crap. Why do they have that?
Oh, I almost got a paper cut. Frogs can be different colors too. Some are green or brown. Others have stripes or spots. Frogs can be red, yellow, or orange. They even be bright blue.
Hi, guys.
Tiger striped leaf frog, red poison dart frog, blue poison dart frog, and Amazon poison dart frog. So, the ones that are poison is the red one, the blue one, and the striped one are poison. So if you find one of those, I don't think you will, don't touch it.
Or make it murder it.
Yeah, kill it. They have, don't look in its eyes though, because some actually squirt poison stuff all over the place. These colorful frogs may look pretty, but watch out, these frogs have poison in their skin. Their bright color warns enemies not to eat them. Poison dart frog.
And this is okay, guys, we'll see you in the next episode.
Oh my God.
We'll be reading frogs next time and ants next time. See you guys.